Step into a world of wonder at magical little minds. Get ready for fantastic stories that will transport you to extraordinary places. Remember to spread the magic by liking this video and subscribing to our channel.
The Cool Bean Makes a Splash. Written by Jory, illustrated by Oswald. Watch out! Here come the cool beans. Check out how they dive. Look at how they cannonball. Watch how they backflip. Yow! What a splashy entrance. The cool beans are the best swimmers in town. Ah, yes. This is the life. Look at their terrific technique, their perfect posture, their fearless floating. The cool beans are at the center of everything. Meanwhile, I'm out here on my own. I'm treading water by myself. But hey, we're all just doing our best. Plus, there are plenty of things for an ordinary being to do in the pool. I can still have a grand old time. Yes. But every time I try to act cool, whoops. Oh no. Splash. It never goes very well. Suddenly, I have a new idea. A big idea. A super idea. Have you seen the super slide? Up there? See? Way up there? You see it? Yes. It's huge. Yep. It's tall. Yeah, it's scary. I've never been brave enough to ride on the slide before. Maybe today's my day. After all, how will I ever become a cool bean if I don't take a chance? So now I have a plan. Yes. I'm going to gracefully glide down the super slide. Watch out. Here I come, marching up the steps. Watch out. Here I am, about to ride the super slide to fame and glory. Watch out. Here I am. Here, why are my knees shaking? And why do my arms feel like noodles? And why am I sweating? And why am I wobbly? And why is my stomach filled with butterflies? Oh no, 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 no. Look, down there, see? Everybody's staring at me. I can't do it. I just can't do it. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh no. What are the cool beans doing? Wait, why are they coming up here? Wait, are they going to embarrass me even more? I can't stand it. Arrgh. Psst. It looks like you could use a hand. It turns out the cool beans just want to help me out. Oh, and they asked if I'd like to ride the slide with them. They're waiting for my answer. I mean, sure, yes, I would like that. Great. We'll be right behind you. It's not as scary when you go with friends. It'll be over before you know it. Whee! 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 Whoa, wow, I did it. I really did it. I really, really did it. What a thrill. What a rush. What a ride. And I never even cried. Sploosh. The super slide was super fun, and I couldn't have done it without my cool friends. High five. Yeah, buddy. They all realized that I just needed some encouragement and support. Sometimes, I forget that there are plenty of kind folks who have my back. They're always there when I need them. Yes, indeed. Watch out. Here I come. Yow! And now it's time to relax with my friends. Because it turns out, you can be just as cool at the shallow end of the pool. The end.
Thank you for joining us on this magical reading journey. If you're ready to continue the fun and learn even more, visit our Etsy shop for exciting educational printables. You can count on us to make learning numbers fun and easy with our popular animal jungle-themed kids numbers flashcards. Let's keep the learning adventure going. Head over to our Etsy shop now and make learning numbers a colorful and engaging experience.